I want to make one of these for my grandson's Lego. I have a router and I want to do the finger joints, but I don't have a router table. So let's get on with it. I'm going to follow along with Stumpy Nubs' video, and you'll see that picture in picture. But it doesn't work out quite like I thought it would. So I've taken the base plate off and just need to find some 1/4" MDF. The one odd thing that I found is that this, I'm going to need to find a small clamp to put on this to keep it running, which is a bit annoying. Okay, so I looked for some scrap 1/4" MDF. Well, I had some, but it wasn't really proper MDF. It wasn't very dense. So I went for 1/4" plywood. So I've just made it 37 centimeters square. So I'm just going to mark out the base plate, do some little countersinks, because the screws are actually pretty damn small. Okay, so I've just tried it out. I put one screw in here. Sort of looks like it's going to work, I think, because I was a bit worried about the thickness of this was too much. But we shall see. Now I need to build the box to put the top on. So I've got my two pieces there, and I've got the board that it's going to go on. So what I've done is just put the two boards together, ruled a line, and then this distance should be the width of my rails. Where are we? 330. Okay, so that is the front, I think. I've put a couple of screws in. I don't know if I've got the back side gluing up, which is good, and the one at the end there that hangs down a bit further, you can see somewhere down there. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, then I started to mark up the fence. And this, I think, is what it looks like. I mean, Stumpy Nubs just magicked it. But he said the holes didn't, the size of the holes didn't matter or what you use. So I don't have any large bits, so I'm going to drill some holes to get it started and then get my jigsaw out. Well, that was a mission. Getting the base of the plate all organised with the holes through the piece of wood when you can't see, very tricky. I think that's why Stumpy Nubs said use this cone thing that he had. Okay, so that looks a little like the fence. So I'm just going to glue it up. And I've got some spare plywood, which I think I can make a little square block to put in the corners like Stumpy Nubs did. So it's the morning after, and I've put it all together, and sort of looks like it should, which is pretty good. But it is quite high. But I can't do an awful lot about that. Because my router is quite big, and I wanted to leave plenty of room inside because I've had trouble changing the bits. Anyway, so I've got some hardwood from their old floorboards, so I'm going to tidy those up, cut them to length, and then I think what I do is I put them on here like that. like that. Okay, so I put some panel pins on the top, put some paste wax on it. So I feel like it's pretty close. I just need to put the runners on the side of this, but that looks pretty smooth. Well, I've never used super glue before. I'm going to read the instructions. Press the two surfaces together for 10 to 30 seconds. That's pretty cool. Okay, take a look at this. Where's the rail? There. That one. Whoa. Pretty cool. Okay. Oh, that wasn't very good. Okay, so I don't know, maybe it's because it's plywood. I'm going to try it without plywood and see how it goes. Okay, that's not very good either. Where are we? Back to the drawing board. Okay, I'm going to have another go. I think I had it the wrong way around previously. And maybe I've been pushing it through too quick. Okay, it's really not liking that. It's smoking. So I don't actually know what to do, so I'm going to go and do some Googling. Okay, well there you go. That's that one. I guess it's okay, but it is pretty damn scary. I did actually manage to build the bench, so I guess that's a good thing. The rest I will have to work on in future weeks.